What are the best online platforms for artists and creatives in 2025? Microsoft Designer, Canva, Luma Calendar, GoBrunch. Hey, I'm Jim, and I'm about to create a community. Come on inside. I'm going to teach you how to do it. I'm going to teach you how to customize it to your own liking. Put your logo, put your background. Finally, a place to build a community where you're totally in control. Come on, this is Microsoft Designer. This is free with an account, and you can create with AI. You can just about build anything you want for social media: icons, images, wallpapers, banners, posters, social media, stuff, greeting cards, stickers, anything you want. Backgrounds. So we're going to go to backgrounds. Okay, so we're over here and we're going to check out some backgrounds. The key is the prompt. The key is always the prompt. So you're going to figure out what you want. I like cartoon kind of bright colors, kind of nice stuff. So and my community is the Lake George podcast, which is an outdoorsy Adirondacks mountains, lake, forest, that kind of thing. So I'm looking for that kind of scene. So I use this prompt, okay, a view of a peaceful lake with trees and a mountain in the background, cartoon style with forest and animals. Now this is one of them, but they gave me a whole bunch of them, okay, and I was able to pick which one I wanted, and I ended up picking this one. So I ended up picking this one because I'm going to show you, I'm going to create little spots for all my people in the meeting. So this is going to be the background for my meeting. So I say we download this to the computer. So we download this to the computer and we're going to go to GoBrunch. All right, now we've got spaces. I'm going to create a co-working space. Okay, get started. We're going to name the space. Now we're going to name the space Lake Week. That's my podcast, okay? So they have all these layouts here that you can pick. We're going to pick one, but we're going to use our own background. But the key here is to pick the amount of seats that you want. So this one has 10 seats. We're going to pick this one because it has 10 seats, and we're going to create. And here it is, Lake George this week. Now watch, I'm going to open it up. So this is the template that they had. You can use this one, or you can customize it and put your own stuff in here. So now we can go to this room, right? We can go to background and editor. Come over here to background. We're going to upload from our. There we are. Okay, so now you really can't see it, so we can go over to, where is it here, canvas height. We can adjust the canvas height. Okay, and here we go. Now we can move all of these little dots are seats, and when people come into the room, their camera is going to go there. Okay, so we're going to turn around, we're going to move all of these to make them all around all the animals. All right, because that'll be pretty cool. And then we can save and close it. But you know what? I also want to add an image. So I want to add an image. We're going to upload from the computer, and we're going to try and find my logo. And we can put it anywhere we want. And I'm pretty sure I can change the size of it. And we can put it up over here in the corner, Lake George this week. Now we can save it. And now I'm here in the room, and I can pick any one of these cameras, any one of these seats. Right, and whenever people come to my homepage, they're going to be right here on the thing, and they can share their screen, they can share their camera, they can share their microphone, they can talk in real time. All right, it's going to be really great. You're going to build your community, right? And you can go into any one of these, and again, you can have as many seats as you want. I have meetings with up to 600 people in it. Pretty awesome and pretty great way to customize your GoBrunch meeting space. I'm going to show you some of my other spaces. So pest control for the people, another space that I have for work, and I can pick a seat in here. Now we have 30 people at work. We're a pest control company, and we have our meetings here around in the ant colony. All right, and I created that also in Microsoft Designer. To customize your GoBrunch rooms, make them solely to you and your business and your community. We're going to use Luma Calendar to keep our community in the know about when the next meeting is. And it gets really good because Luma Calendar also, with the help of Stripe, lets you charge for meetings. If you're having a special class that you want to charge for, you can do it with Luma Calendar. Come on inside, check it out. Here we are in Luma Calendar. We're going to sign in. Oh my God. Okay, we're going to create a calendar. Okay, here we are in calendars. Okay, it's very easy to sign up for Luma Calendar. We're going to go to create a calendar's name. This is going to be it's the Nature's Way after meeting. We're going to keep it in the green, and we are going to public URL. We're going to put create calendar. Okay, now we get to create an event. Okay, so let's create an event. create an event. All right, so now the event's name is going to be the after meeting. Okay, and that's going to happen Tuesday the 7th, and it's going to happen at 3 o'clock and end at 4. Event location. So we make it the after meeting. So now down here, tickets, you make it free, but this was going to be free, but we can actually charge. And when you charge, you need a Stripe account, and you can require, and you can get approval. And if you only want to have so many people in there, you can do that. All right. And it's public. You can change this too if you want. There we go. Create the event. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to embed this in our GoBrunch. We're going to go to more. We're going to come down here, and here it is, okay, the embed code. All right, so this is where we have our after meeting. So we are a pest control company, so we have our weekly meetings, and then the techs have an after meeting. And so we're going to go ahead and put that in the calendar. So we come over to this room, background and editor, come over here to video and more, embed audio, video and more, right? And then you come in here and you paste, and just paste that in there, and there it is. Okay, and you can resize that and put it anywhere you want, and there you go, and they can register right there. You can resize it and make it any size and figure it out. All right, and there you go. The really cool thing about that is actually charging your following for your time. Easy peasy, easy way to monetize your audience. So I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your spaces. Now, I'm going to put it for a link for my course that I'm putting out, but you can do it for an email, for your website, for just about anything you need to put a link for. You could send them to your Shopify store or whatever other e-commerce that you have. Well, enough talking. Let's go inside and check it out. Okay, first thing we're going to do is go to Canva, and we're going to create something to make it clickable. It's going to be clickable, and I'm going to show you how. So once you're satisfied with whatever design you're going to use, you're going to turn around and right-click, drop down to where it says link, and put in the link that you want to link to it. Okay, so there you go. Then that's going to be my sales page for my course. All right, so now the link is added. So we're all set. What we got to do now is we got to save it. But we're not going to save it. This is where the tricky part comes in. Now, it doesn't say it down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to see all, and we're looking for the embed code. So we're going to copy the embed code right here, the HTML. We're going to copy that. Okay, then we're going to come over to GoBrunch. Creators On is my content creator community where I'm going to put the course. We're going to go down to this room here, click this room, and we're going to go to background and editor. Right, we're going to come over to the embed audio, video, and more. We're going to embed the code that we just copied, okay? And boom, there it is. But hey, this is too big, right? So we're going to come over here, we're going to resize it down. There we go, more manageable size, and I can put it anywhere I want, move it anywhere I want. We're going to keep it down here in the corner, all right? Now, so then we have to save it. Okay, we have to save it. Now there it is, and if it's clickable, let's find out. And it takes us right to the page. And create a community, create a whole ecosystem of rooms, trading rooms, breakout rooms, lobbies, offices, different things. It's incredible. You're going to build a community that's going to last a lifetime, and you're going to be in total control of it. Hey, so I hope you learned something. Stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. GoBrunch has a lot of good videos, and you're going to have a great time learning GoBrunch and building your community here.